morning. I'm Bob Geist, Operations Manager for Abaddon, and welcome to the Abaddon Service Center located in Melbourne, Florida. Today we're discussing the panel makeover package that is being currently offered for the Integra, E1, MFD, and PFD. We're going to discuss in detail what remanufacture means, what environmental stress screening is, and what an acceptance test procedure is in order to get your units to a remanufactured state. A lot of folks are going to ask, why would I buy this package? Well, clearly the benefits are numerous. It also includes, with this package, is the DFC 90. And we'll go into more detail as we follow a unit through the service center. Thank you. Here's a set of displays that have been sent in to us for the panel makeover. As you notice, you can see that the AR coating is scratched and almost completely removed on this unit. It has an acrylic glass that pops out relatively easy with just slight pressure on it. As you can see on the PFD, we see cracked knobs and bezels are in pretty poor shape. All PFDs will receive a 2-year 91411 altimeter and altitude recertification, but the most significant benefit to this package is that it includes the Abaddon DFC 90 autopilot. The DFC 90 is considered by many pilots to be the safest in the GA market, with features that are not normally found in this segment. This package also comes with a 2-year warranty in addition to any existing warranty you may currently have. Now we'll follow the units as we go through in more detail as we break the units down and show you how the boards are processed. Once out in the service center, your PFD is completely torn down. Basically, we've broken everything down to the frame. We've removed all boards and prepped those for remanufactured to modify those and bring them up to the latest and greatest versions. The new video cable, we pull the display, the actual LCD, and process that for rework. And we remove your bezel and send it off for remanufacturing and to put in the new AR coated glass. Okay. Same process for MFD, completely torn down, stripped down to the frame, back cover, boards are removed to be remanufactured, bezels are reconditioned, and we put in the new AR coated glass. This includes a new video cable as well and current software for updates. Okay, here we are in our laminar flow booth where we process all LCDs and bezels. This is the status of a bezel that has come in for the panel makeover, in which it has the aesthetics on the bezel, the paint, were not in the best of shape. The acrylic piece of plastic that's in there is easily forced out, is pushed. As you can see, scratched, not very good shape. We turn this into this. As you can see, it has the new AR coated glass, the knobs, and a nice paint surface to it. Your unit's now been reassembled, and this is a PFD that we're talking about here. And what we're loading on now is a test code that we put into the environmental chambers, or as we referred to earlier as environmental stress screening, or ESS. This will allow us to monitor under power at temperatures and vibration. Okay, so we've loaded your units with a test code, and we bring them over to our temperature chamber, or what we know as environmental stress and screening. As you can see, when we open the door, this allows us to do two things. It allows us to do a random 5G vibration, but it also allows us to do a temperature swing or profile of +70 to -25. The chamber is LN assisted with liquid nitrogen to allow us to reach our ramp rates at 5 degrees per minute. Okay, once our units complete the thermal profile, we bring the PFDs over for the 91411 or the altimeter altitude certification, where we connect pitot-static lines to it and drive air pressure up so we can scale up to altitude and back down to do for our 91411 cert. Okay, so once your unit comes back from environmental, we'll do a tilt, spin, and as a final step as part of the process, we do a final acceptance test procedure where all parameters are checked. This completes running a unit through our service center and a remanufactured PFD.